is solution.
आता ह्याचं बघ का झालं. ती ट्रेन बघ आणि ही ट्रेन बघ. नाही नाही, ती ट्रेन आता थांबणार आहे या ट्रेनला जायसाठी.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is West India Quay. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. This is West India Quay.
The back end of the train was still in Canary Wharf when the front end was in this one.
आता उजवीकडे डावीकडेपेक्षा. अच्छा, तिकडून बँक आहे, तिकडे स्टार्ट पडेल.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Poplar. Change for stations towards Beckton and London City Airport. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Many stops are close to each other. ही मेट्रो नाही आहे.
Next station is Poplar. Attention service towards Beckton and Castle. Main base platform 1. When leaving the train, make sure you have everything in. When you finish your journey, make sure you turn out to pay the correct fare. Next station is Poplar Train, Cornwall Station.
Yeah, but you won't be able to if you want to go to Harrods.
This is Poplar.
Yeah, but then if we went out to eat, we wouldn't get into Harrods until
You never know. Imagine if he's okay. Now you're free. Now you're free. Why are you
is All Saints for Crisp Street Market. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. This is All Saints.
No, send it to his story.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Langdon Park. This is Langdon Park.
ब्रेक होना रहेगा उसका हाथ
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Devons Road. This is Devons Road.
Tomorrow.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Bow Church. Change the London Underground, District and Hammersmith and City lines at Bow Road Station. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. This is Bow Church.
Do absolutely irrelevant.
Avoid changing more white. You're losing the skin, like snake. The scalp.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Dingle Lane. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Probably more Italian. Yeah. Well, no, it's not.
This is Puddingham Lane.
Academy in West Ham. It's named after Bobby Moore.
The next stop is Stratford, where this train terminates. Please remember to take all your belongings with you.
There, so you can't really tell which tube they were in because it's the whole queue, isn't it? Yeah. You're supposed to look at its shape. It's made of.
The next stop is Stratford, where this train will terminate. All change.
For London Underground, Central and Jubilee lines, National Rail, TfL Rail, London Overground and local bus services.
We need to take the
Oh, is it American? The moment when we get home and take it out and put it on the top, just leave to charge our phones.
This is Stratford.